let's go ahead and calculate our consolidated exchange rates. Now, this period close task updates the consolidated exchange rates for the accounting period that we're closing. Now, feel free to refer back to Chapter 2 to understand the calculations behind each of those consolidated exchange rates. On screen here, we have the table of consolidated exchange rates, but let's jump back into NetSuite and take a closer look. So here we have the period close checklist for January 2023. The next task that we need to close is to calculate the consolidated exchange rates. Let's make sure we click on the Calculate Consolidated Exchange Rates button, and we are taken to the exchange rates table for that particular accounting period. Notice that there is no accounting period drop down in the filters section. So here you have two options. The first is to click on the Calculate button, and NetSuite will go ahead and update the consolidated exchange rates for all of the currency pairings in the system. Alternatively, you can go ahead and click on the Calculate icon that will update those specific currency pairs and exchange rates that are derived from those currency exchange rate pairs. The other thing to note is that this is one of those month close processes that can be run outside of that month close process. Specifically, to run this process at any point during the accounting period, go ahead and navigate to Lists, Accounting, Consolidated Exchange Rates. What you'll notice here is that the period filter is available because, again, you're able to run this process. Although it's showing all of the accounting periods, if we just pick a random period in the past, notice that the Calculate button is grayed out. Notice that there are no calculator buttons next to specific currency pairs. The reason for that is the accounting period is closed. So you can only run this process for open and future accounting periods that are available.